In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the microphone on your Galaxy tablet is not working. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just perform a force restart on your tablet. To do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 10 seconds. If you have an older Samsung tablet and if you press and hold both of these buttons for more than 10 seconds, your tablet will enter into blue screen mode. So make sure you press and hold both of these buttons for only 10 seconds. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 10 seconds. Now after 10 seconds, just release both of these buttons. And once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. On this page, just scroll down and tap on More Privacy Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Permission Manager. On this page, just tap on Microphone. And from this list, just select your preferred app, the permission to the microphone. For example, I will select the camera. Now, if it is on Don't Allow, just select Ask Every Time, or preferably allow only when using the app. Now just do that for all the apps to which you want to give the access to the microphone. Just like that. And after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, then just go back to Settings and tap on Connections. Under the connection settings, if Bluetooth is enabled, just turn it off. Just tap on Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth from here. Now sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet might connect to your Bluetooth headphones and it might start using the microphone of your headphones instead of the microphones of your tablet. And this might be why the microphones are not working on your tablet. So make sure you disable Bluetooth. After that, just locate the microphone on your tablet and check if the microphone on your tablet is blocked by any dust or debris. If it is blocked, just clean it using a soft brush. After you do that, now under Settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Software Update. Tap on Check for New Update and check if there is any software update available for your tablet or not. If there is any update available, just update the software of your tablet. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the Control Center and from here just tap on the power icon. Now just tap and hold on the power off icon until you see the option for safe mode. Now just tap on safe mode. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for your tablet to reboot and then it will enter into safe mode. Once your tablet finishes restarting, your tablet will enter into safe mode. And under safe mode, all the third-party apps which you have downloaded will be disabled. Now from here, just check if your microphone is working or not. Now if you have noticed that the microphone has started working after you have entered into safe mode, then this indicates that this problem is being caused by a third-party app which you have installed. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for any third-party app which you have downloaded recently. Now after you find the app, then just tap on it and select Uninstall. Now just do that for all the third-party apps which you have installed, and also look for any app which you don't remember installing. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet so you will disable safe mode from your tablet and check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to Settings and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset. Now on this page, just look for the option for Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. After you do that, then just tap on Reset. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the microphone on your Samsung tablet has stopped working. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.